Okay, so here we have some ackee and some saltfish. We've already picked this ackee. You know, on the channel we have ackee and saltfish already more than once, but today we have some guests here from Deutschland, from Germany, and they will be preparing this ackee and saltfish for you. So I'm going to show them how to do it, and you guys gonna just sit back and watch what we do next, okay? All right, there we go. You're all guests. Starting, ready, go.
Guten Tag, guten Tag. My name is Yasimo. Hi, I'm Ben.
Hola, buenas. I'm Felix.
Hi, ich bin Finn.
You're Finn. From where are you? Where are you
From Hanover in Germany.
Hanover in Germany. You know we have Hanover in Jamaica. Do you know?
Yeah, we know.
Okay, great. So now you guys will be in charge of this ackee and saltfish cooking today because I have done it already on the channel, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. And so we're going to get the ball rolling now, okay?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. Vamos.
Vamos.
Okay, so Felix, you will be preparing the saltfish now. You know,
Yes.
it's very salty and has a lot of salt on it. So I'll suggest you rinse it off a little first. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Yes, we just rinse off some of the excess salt because you're going to put it in the pot to boil. If you had a lot of time, you could also put it to soak in some water for a while. But for a quicker process, we rinse it off like that. Okay, that's enough, and we can just put it in the pot. Okay, yes, ready for the pot now. And just put it in. Be careful not to burn your hand. You hold it at the tip, and let it go a little. Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
There we go.
That is very good. Then you just cover that pot, but halfway a little bit so that it doesn't boil over. Once it starts, yeah, like that, so we can monitor it. Very good. That will boil for about 15 minutes, generally, but you can put the ackee in now if you like, or you can let this boil for just about 5 minutes first, and then we add the ackee, okay?
Yeah.
All right, it's time now to put the ackee in the pot with the saltfish. Go on now, Finn, you're doing a very good job. Trying not to burn yourself.
Not working.
It's working, right? Very good. Das ist sehr gut. Very good. Muy bien. Nice. Okay, great. That's it. Okay, want to cover that now. Halfway, that's right. And we monitor it so it doesn't boil over. Another maybe 15 minutes or so. We'll be ready to pour off that water, okay? All right, Ben, you're going to be preparing these seasoning now. You're going to wash them and then cut them up. That's the thyme you have there?
Yeah.
Tell me what you have in your hand. That's the
thyme.
thyme, and
That's
then
the
the other
thyme.
things in the bowl. What else?
Then I have a tomato. I don't know how it's called.
Scallion.
Scallion. A pepper.
Yes, that's a bell
and
pepper.
the onion here.
And
I also
onion.
got here some garlic.
Yes, and
the
some.
red onion.
What's the red one in the bowl?
These ones?
Yes.
The tomatoes.
Okay, great. All right, so you're going to wash them and then cut them up on the board. Okay? All right. You're doing well. Okay, Ben, I see you're cutting up your tomatoes now.
Yeah, right.
Good. Yes, just like that. You're doing very well. It seems like you're a master chef under the quiet. Guys, tell me, Ben is the master chef among you?
Of course.
Oh, bien sûr.
I'm doing the
Okay,
other
and then
tomato
you're
as well.
on to, oh, you're doing another tomato now too. Okay. Okay, you're onto your onions now. Yes, doing very well. Okay, here we go now. Yansima, you're testing this ackee. When you stick it with the fork, you see how easily it goes in? That's because it's ready now. So we're going to just pour off this water and get to the next step. All right, so you can pour it in that one right off. Good, and it will just strain off the water easily. If you don't have one of these, you can simply hold the cover on in place and then pour it, release it slowly, okay? Yes. Okay, so you're going to take the fish out. It's a little hot, careful. You have to kind of barely touch it. If it's too hot, you maybe want to use a fork or something. Just stick it, scrape that off, yeah. Just stick it with the fork so your hand don't get burned. Yeah, then you can just rinse it off in this and remove the bones and stuff, right? Okay, yeah, so just put it, pull the water in it, put it under the pipe, yeah. Good. And then you just pick it up into small pieces. Be careful not to let the bones prick your hand. You can do it right in the sink.
Right in the
Maybe you want to fold some more water into that. You can fold it up some more. Yes, and remove the bones and pick it up in small pieces. Slowly, it's hot, so...
No, it's not hot anymore.
Oh, it's cool down now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Do I just break it apart?
Yes, just break it apart into small pieces and remove the bones. Inside is hot, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And then after that, we'll be ready to move to the stove, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Want to remove all those tiny little bones. Great. Okay, Yazima, you're going to pour a generous amount of oil into that saucepan, okay? Because Ackee likes to be fried up in a good amount of oil. Don't
Okay.
worry about the oil, because when we take it out, we'll use that spoon with that has this holes in the bottom.
So like
it
this?
will- yes, some more. I'll tell you when to stop. Yes. You're doing quite well. That's it. Now I think that's it.
All right.
Okay, so the saltfish is ready and all the seasonings are prepared right here. It's time to meet the pot as soon as that oil is warmed up.
I think you get cold.
Ready? Yes, you can put the thyme in. Yes, go ahead. Yes. Oh, yes. Go ahead. Yes, that's it. Oh, you're holding a tray like a master chef, man. You're doing well. Sometimes we use a separate container for every little seasoning, but we don't have to do it that way all the time, yeah? Then you can really turn the tray if you like. Good, yes. Very good. Now your tomatoes. Perfect. Oh, such good dexterity. You can know the chefs among us, you know, they know exactly how to maneuver. Yes, that's right. Okay, go ahead. Yes, that's right. So we just saute this for a little 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, you can go ahead and add the saltfish now. Yeah. That's it. All right, good. Felix, as you said, this looks really good. Sometimes we do it just like this and we call it cook-up saltfish.
Oh, okay.
Right? So you can have the saltfish like this just without, sometimes with banana and dumplings and stuff like that. Yeah, so this time. Okay, so now we can put the ackee in. Just turn it right over in it. Yeah, pour it out. That's right. Yes, just like that. But it seems like you're all chefs, man. You're just, you know, doing all the little moves. Good. Yeah, and just turn it around a little bit now to mix this in a bit. But you do so carefully because you don't want to crush out all that ackee. Right? Yeah. Yeah, so you want that oil and the seasoning and the flavors to go right through. Yeah.
This is typical breakfast?
Oh, this is had for breakfast, sometimes dinner to our lunch, any time of day really. But for dinner, typically they'll have it with banana and dumpling and yam. And the breakfast, maybe with fried breadfruit or fried dumplings also, or even bread. Like you guys will be having it with bread this morning. Yeah, but it's good any time of day. Yes, and it's our national dish, Ackee and Salt Fish, right? Yeah, that smells good, doesn't it? Yeah, you can smell all those flavors. What are you adding now? What are you adding?
The pepper.
Oh, the black pepper.
The black pepper, right.
Okay, good. Oh, yes.
More?
Yes, just a little bit more. You don't want to overdo it, but just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good now. I think that's good. Wow, look at that.
Good.
It looks really good. And in less than 2 minutes, this is ready to go. Oh, wow, look at that. Fabulous. Now it's all ready to eat. You can switch the stove off now, guys, because you don't want to start burning. You have to switch it off now. Switch it off. Good, thank you, Felix. Thank you. All right, there you go. I'll just serve this up in this platter for everybody. I told you not to worry about the oil because we use this spoon that separates it easily. Okay?
Yes.
My hands are clean. I remove that piece of thyme.
Yeah, really looks good.
Yes, it does, it does. Oh, you hear that? Oh, yes, guys, are you ready to devour this one?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, of course, of course, yeah?
Yeah, we're looking forward.
Okay, let's go. Going to the balcony. Ready, starting now? Okay, ready, steady, go. You're going to taste and then tell me how it is.
I'm going to taste.
Yes.
So I take a spoon.
And then, so you're the guinea pig, you know, with Kevin.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, first
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's
yeah,
really
it tastes
good?
really, really good.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, nice.
Great. I got also some fish, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have to take his word for it. Let's dig in. Ready?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, we're having that with some hard dough bread, some bread this morning, some sliced bread, wheat bread, yes. As we told you, sometimes it's hard with ackee and with fried dumplings or ground provision like boiled bananas, yam, dumpling, boiled dumpling, you know. But you can have it this way also, okay? Great. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you.